Why are cohort studies used in medical research? Imagine watching a group of people over many years to see how their health changes. That's what a cohort study does. It's a way researchers observe how certain factors affect health over time. In medical research, understanding how diseases develop is very important. Researchers want to know if exposure to certain things, like smoking or pollution, can cause health problems later. Cohort studies help answer these questions by tracking people who share a common trait or experience. For example, they might follow a group of smokers and non-smokers to see who develops lung disease. This type of study is especially good at showing the order of events. It can tell us if exposure happens before a disease appears. That helps scientists suggest if one thing might cause another. And like a snapshot study that looks at one moment, cohort studies watch how health changes over years or even decades. This long-term view is key for diseases that take a long time to develop, like heart disease or cancer. For patients exploring options for treatment or trials, cohort studies give useful insights. They show how lifestyle choices, environment, or genetics influence health risks over time. This helps doctors recommend ways to prevent disease or choose the best treatment options based on real-world evidence. There are two main types of cohort studies. Prospective studies follow people forward from the moment they are enrolled. Researchers collect data as events happen, which can take many years. Retrospective studies look back at existing records of people who already experienced the exposure and outcome. Both methods have their advantages and challenges, like cost and time. Cohort studies can examine many health outcomes linked to one exposure. They are especially helpful when studying rare exposures that are hard to recreate in experiments. Since researchers only observe and do not intervene, they are useful when it would be unethical to assign harmful exposures to people. However, these studies can take a long time and need lots of resources. Sometimes, participants drop out, which can affect the results. Despite these hurdles, cohort studies remain as a powerful way to understand how diseases start, grow, and can be prevented. They complement clinical trials, which test specific treatments, by providing a broader picture of health and risk factors. In the end, cohort studies help us see the natural course of health and disease. They show how different factors influence our health over many years. This knowledge helps patients and doctors make better decisions about treatments and prevention strategies.